Hey everyone, today we're diving into the top 10 affiliate marketing partners that can help you boost your income with great products, services, and commissions. Let's get into it. Starting at number 10, Amazon Associates. One of the most popular affiliate programs, Amazon allows you to promote millions of products and earn commissions. It's easy to get started, and the brand recognition makes it a go-to for beginners. Number 9, ClickBank. Known for its wide range of digital products, ClickBank specializes in niches like fitness, self-help, and online education. They offer high commissions, often 50% or more, making it a great choice for digital marketers. Coming in at 8, CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. With thousands of partners, CJ offers a diverse selection of brands and products. Whether you're in fashion, tech, or health, CJ helps you connect with top-tier affiliate programs. At number 7, ShareASale. This platform provides access to over 3,900 affiliate programs across various industries. ShareASale offers both physical products and digital services, making it a flexible option for marketers. Number 6, Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten is a global leader in e-commerce and offers an affiliate network that includes major retailers like Walmart and Best Buy. With a simple interface and reliable payment structure, Rakuten is a trusted name in the affiliate world. Number 5, Bluehost. If you're in the web hosting niche, Bluehost offers one of the best affiliate programs. They offer high payouts for referrals, and their service is highly respected, making it easy to promote. Number 4, Shopify. If you're in the e-commerce space, Shopify's affiliate program is top-notch. You can earn a substantial commission for referring customers who sign up for their platform, and they also offer plenty of marketing resources. At number 3, Envato Market. Known for themes, plugins, and design assets, Envato Market offers an affiliate program with commissions up to 30%. With the growing demand for digital design tools, this is a great niche for marketers. Number 2, Owen. Owen's affiliate network covers everything from travel to fashion. With over 15,000 brands, Owen offers a global reach and high commission opportunities for affiliate marketers. And finally, number 1, Fiverr. Fiverr's affiliate program allows you to promote a variety of freelance services. With a large pool of digital services and a user-friendly interface, Fiverr is a fantastic platform for earning commissions on high-demand services. That's our top 10 affiliate marketing partners. These platforms provide great opportunities to monetize your content, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips.